riveting. It's going to be a great time. Okay, we ready to begin? I got a text. All right, let's begin. So tonight I have an RC Cola in a big can. It's a very big can. So that's going to be the drink for tonight. All right. So first, I would like to touch on the subject of the tropical storm forming in the Gulf. I don't know if you guys have heard about that. Tropical Storm Humberto. Humberto, I think is how you pronounce it. Here it is. It's forming along the coast of the Gulf Coast, right? Formed in the Atlantic. And it started over here on Thursday at 2 p.m., I think is when it started. Not this Thursday, last Thursday. And it slowly started making its way up, getting ready to hit America, as you can see. And what sucks is it's supposed to hit Atlanta pretty soon. And the thing that sucks about it hitting Atlanta is that I live in South Carolina. So, like, I am right next to it. So, like, that's going to suck if it gets any closer. Tropical Storm Humberto. I don't think it's going to become a hurricane, from what I've heard. Forms as, Hurricane Gabrielle was also going to be a thing, but it's starting to fall a little bit. But I just wanted to tell everybody about the tropical storm because, we had Tropical Storm Debbie, I think almost a year ago, right? Oh, hey, Nolan, how are you? We're talking about the tropical storm, but I think we're done talking about the tropical storm. So